Is Meta coming after Apple with a $300 VR headset? The company's 2024 Connect event is set to begin on Wednesday. Notable earnings this week in the retail space, as well as a couple key inflation prints on Friday morning. Time to get ready for the week ahead, but before we do that, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Just economic data on the docket for Monday. The market will be watching the S&P Global Composite, Manufacturing, and Services PMI prints just after they open at 9:45 Eastern. We'll also get the Chicago Fed National Activity Index pre-market. On to Tuesday. Nvidia shares will be in focus early pre-market. The company is slated to attend ROSCon 2024 in Japan. It's a robotics development event where Nvidia is set to showcase new updates to its robot platform, Isaac. We've also got some earnings on watch on Tuesday morning from AutoZone before the bell. Some housing data to watch out for on Tuesday as well. At 9 a.m., we'll get the month-over-month and year-over-year changes in the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index and the House Price Index for July. Then we'll be getting CB Consumer Confidence and Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index data for September at 10 a.m. After the close, KB Homes is set to report. The biggest market event of the week is set to headline Wednesday's schedule. The 2024 Meta Connect event kicks off with a keynote from CEO Mark Zuckerberg at 1 p.m. Eastern. This year's event is scheduled for September 25th and 26th, and is expected to provide a window into Meta's work in AI and mixed reality. We'll get some economic data too, including August new home sales at 10 a.m. The metric hit its highest level in over a year for the month of July. Micron earnings on watch after the bell. The semiconductor staple recently received a double downgrade and a steep price target cut from Exane BNP Paribas. Will Micron beat revenue estimates of $7.65 billion with its Q4 report? Leave a comment to let us know if you're planning on trading those earnings. Coming off of last week's FOMC decision, we'll get another dose of Powell Thursday morning. He's set to speak at an event starting at 9:20 Eastern. We'll see if there's any follow-up after last week's 50 basis point cut, the largest cut by the FOMC since the financial crisis in 2008. We'll also hear from Williams, Barr, and the Cash Man throughout the session. A few notable earnings on watch before the bell on Thursday. Accenture, CarMax, and Nvidia are all set to report. At 8:30 a.m., we'll get the final gross domestic product print for Q2. The most recent estimate came in at 3% compared to a Q1 print of 1.4%. We'll also watch for initial and continued jobless claims. Then at 10 a.m., we're going to be getting the monthly and yearly changes in home sales for the month of August. The excitement continues after the closing bell, when we'll digest earnings from retail heavyweight Costco and occasional meme runner BlackBerry. Costco just reported a 7.1% year-over-year increase in retail sales for August and a 5% increase in net retail sales for fiscal 2024. Analysts are looking for the company to post $79.82 billion in sales for Q4 2024. Do you think Costco will manage another revenue and EPS beat? Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. The week ends on a bang. More inflation data for the market to digest with the August PCE set to be released at 8:30 a.m. Last month's PCE was generally in line with estimates, though the year-to-year print came in just below expectations. 10 a.m. we'll see the latest Michigan consumer sentiment number released. Keep in mind that there's not one but two inflation-related data prints that come with this release. And that's the week ahead. What a week we've got ahead of us. Thanks for sticking around, and make sure to drop a comment to let us know what event you're most excited to trade next week. Check us out every week from Monday to Friday at 8:30 a.m. over on TraderTV.live.